Hi everyone, welcome back. For everybody who's new, my name is Steph. I want to say thanks to Maono to send me this studio headphone. The model is AU-MH601. You can look at the box like always the same color, orange and black. This is for Maono. Those headphones, the driver is going to be 50 mil, and they're good for studio, podcasts, and if you're doing the music for a DJ, that's going to be good too. At this time I make this video, the price Canadian is $57.99 before tax, and this is Canadian money. Okay, so we have three pair of headphones. This is MPOW at $27 Canadian, and those are Sennheiser $160. Let's try Maono headphone now. Okay, so let's look at the box like always. Here they tell you the description. Here you have the choice of the color. Those guys are black, that's going to be mine. You have the choice or blue or red, so I choose black. And front and on the side. Okay, so let's open it to see. Oh, user manual. Like always, nice package. The cord with at the end those two, I don't know, you can see it, those 6.35 mil, and when you need a little bit smaller you just unscrew it, and here that's going to be the 3.5 plug, and on this side too. Et voila, this is the beauty about it. Everything is gold. Let me put it back. Et voila. You can see they're spongy and thick. For the weight, they're heavier than those guys here. I want to show you something. When it's time to adjust, on the side you have number. So if you need to be at, I don't know, like number 2, you put it on the other side, number 2, and voila, that's going to be your size. And what is nice, they're going to fit my ears perfectly. So when I put it on top, you don't see my ear. I don't know. So you can see it fit all my ear. They said when we put it on the head, the sound, we're not supposed to hear the sound of exterior. They said it's like a cockpit pilot for the airplane. So like that, you just put it and the only thing you heard is going to be inside. Yeah, they're really spongy. I love it. Okay, let's do the test sound now. It's not going to be easy, but I'm going to see if you can hear it. They say this cable can extend to 9.8 feet long. The thing I love about those Maono headphone is you have the choice of 6.3 or 6.5 input or 3.5 input. They're not like those guys, the cable are there, and MPOW, those are 3.5 input. So that's the thing I love about this and those guys here. Okay, so now we're going to do a test sound. let me explain what exactly I'm going to do. They said you're not supposed to hear my sound. So wait, that's the computer. Et voila. Okay, now you can hear it. So now I'm going to put it on my head. Can you hear it? Okay, so now you can hear the music again. So now let's put it on those here. Now you're going to see they're not going to fit perfectly my ear. Okay, so what I love is the sound effect is more insulated on my ears. So the thing I love, this is my opinion, the thing I love, you don't hear the noise. You can feel like not the bass but the middle and the bass too, and the tweeter, they're perfect. I don't know how you can say it, but it's like it's something. If you take an equalizer and you put it like that, like a curve, that's going to be, and just lift the middle a little bit, and that's going to be your sound. The music is rich. You can hear the cymbal, you can hear the drum, the person when he sing. It's if I compare the Maono to those guys at $27, oh that one at $160, those Sennheiser for the sound. And when it's time to do some podcasts or do some editing, when it's time to edit my video, that's going to be the one I'm going to use. This is going to be my choice. Probably yours too is going to be your choice the day you're going to try it. And what I like, let me show you something. Look at that. This is, put it inside a bag and that's going to be perfect. I'm going to put it back. Et voila. So on the top here is show Maono. In each side you have the emblem of Maono too. I hope you like this video. If you love it, don't forget to thumbs up, and like usual, don't forget to leave a comment and share with your friend, your mom, anybody you want. And don't forget to subscribe. And see you in another one.